Marami ang natuwa dahil for the longest time ay muli nilang nakita si Chris Aquino na nag-i-interview. Marami ding mga introductions dahil makikita din si Bimbi na meron na siyang vlog na kung saan ay kinuwento niya ang ilan sa mga highlights ng mga magagandang places sa Tarlac. Nakasama ni Bimbi si Kay Brosas, ang governor ng Tarlac, at pati na rin si Mama Loy. Doon ay kinuwento ni Chris na hindi siya nakasama dahil na rin sa sama ng kanyang pakiramdam at pagtaas ng kanyang blood pressure. Narito ang kwento ni Chris. Beam has commitments. He is finishing 11th grade and by June he will start 12th grade. His schooling is a hybrid model of few with his teachers present and some he does online, and you will see more of me because I do have some medyo sad news about but I will continue to do my very best para lumaban at hindi sumuko. You will see my journey because kayo ang prayer warriors ko. God only wants us to keep the faith. The reason sinalo ni Bim, K. Brosas, Lovie Villarama, my BP was very elevated, 165 over 112, grabe yung lupus flare. My fever was 40.2 and my face was purplish red, ang pakiramdam parang nasusunog na. My lungs ang pinaka nahihirapan because of my multiple and very rare autoimmune diseases. Later I will try to explain what pulmonary hypertension is. In case you're counting, I now have 9 diagnosed autoimmune diseases plus a 10th that came as a result of. Tarlac is less than 90 minutes away once you enter NLEX. My nephew now grows organic eggs, the fruits, siniguelas, yellow watermelon, mangoes that you can pick from your mango tree outside your home. That's one of my goals, to have a small mango orchard in my backyard. Magaling at masikaso ang mga doktor. And my need is immediate. Thank you, Gob Susan Yap. Mas happy sa Tarlac. Sa puntong ito ay natutuwa din ang mga fans dahil mukhang naghahanap din ng place si Chris Aquino kung saan pwede siya magstay, lalo na ang kailangan niya ngayon ay fresh air. Samantala, excited naman ang mga fans sa mga susunod pang vlog ni Bimbi Aquino na napansin nila na napakahusay din sa hosting at pag-i-interview at kwento.